Today I'm gonna give myself a haircut, and I'll be using this new machine that I just picked up called the Wall Sterling 4. Has 90 minutes of runtime, runs at about 9,000 RPM, and well, let's try it out. So far, no pull. Usually I get a pull around here. It's fully charged and it comes with attachments. One thing that it doesn't come with that I think everyone that has a clipper or trimmer at home for these DIY cuts is this right here, Cool Care, or any other brand that you can get. This is the one that I use. So you spray it on before and after. If you're using just regular oil, you are more than likely to get a breakout. Now this one, I did zero gap it. You probably can't see it, but I did zero gap it. And I did it enough. Here's a way that you can zero gap. All right, you loosen these up and you have to close one eye and you hold it up against the light. All right, and one way that you can tell is if it's too short is you get your nail and you run it along. If it leaves a mark, it's gonna pull your hair or cut you. So now that I've made my mark, now I come back with the trimmer and I'll ball this out. But at the end, next we're gonna get our favorite guard, the half guard. Now this is a Babyliss clip. Let's see if it fits. No problem. Open, this is open, all the way up, or you could do it closed. Go up about half an inch. Go up about half an inch, closed. Now I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna go up another half an inch. Now let's not waste time. Get the 1.5. Fully open. The fade is pretty much already there. See this? See this dark spot? I'm gonna blend all that in. Next, we'll be using the Wall Detailer. Only because we're gonna stay with Wall today. Go back and let's erase that line. So all the way open, and then we'll close it little by little. That's kind of it. The line is pretty much gone. I just need this side. And then I'll go ahead and detail the rest of it. So now let's do this side. Same thing, same process. I'm gonna go closed, half guard closed, go up about half an inch. Line up half an inch. Now we're gonna open it. Go up another half an inch. Back to the 1.5 guard, fully open. Essentially, you're blending with the 1.5 into the top, and then you'll detail the rest. Although I do have this trifold mirror, a lot of you may wonder, how do you get the back? Well, I have the mirror, but I also use a two-way mirror system. So I hold up a mirror, I look straight back, and I angle it down, and I maneuver, because this part can be the hardest part of the haircut. Come back with the trimmer and clean it up again. Might not be perfect, but I did it super quick so I could show you, and because I wanted to use this new clipper. So I hope it helped.